Embark on an exhilarating journey at the 2023 AAPEX and SEMA shows. Imagine we are among the lively parade of racing cars and the symphony of engine roars echoing from an array of supercars. At AAPEX, dive into engaging discussions, meetings, and networking sessions centered around the automotive aftermarket business. Don't forget to connect with the friendly faces at Advance Auto Supply, your best weather strip and inner fender source. At SEMA, the stunning Mercedes-Benz 300 SL convertible gracing the entrance hall. Be captivated by the spotlight on the Land Cruiser 40 Series restoration project at the Toyota Pavilion.
Let's go.
Dive into a world of awesome car tuning and restoration projects. A vibrant showcase of creativity and skill. The timeless Nissan Skyline GTR. The classic Chevrolet Impala 1958. Experience the exciting blend of past and future trends in the automotive world. Witness the fascinating integration of EV technology in classic cars and wonder how muscle car fans are embracing the quiet revolution. Marvel at the high-skill outdoor drifting car show. An unforgettable display of driver expertise. Until we reunite next year, cherish the memories of this fantastic automotive journey. Advance Auto Supply, Weatherstrip expertise, where deals and restoration unite.